Hello, everyone. For this week that start on Monday, January 13th, this is a quick recap on what is waiting for us. I start with JPY pairs and with CHF JPY to be precise. So now, as you can see, the price started to fall down after this move that broke character to the downside. It went up and now it went down again. And I do expect the price to continue going down next week until this support level in here. Okay, it could be here, it could be a bit lower or a bit higher, doesn't matter. Okay, so now what I will be waiting for is for the price to retrace again. Remember, there is always a possibility that we actually uh, adjust our fib levels. So it could be here, it could be here during the week, it doesn't matter, but we only take the trade when the price goes up, closes this fair value gap, does the retracement, and then we can ride the wave down with it. So this is opportunity number one, and this is an alert between 61.8 and 78.6. So when the price is here, we get an alert so that we can monitor on the screen. Opportunity number two is Euro JPY again. It would be much better if the price goes a bit more down now, just to break this neckline here. And then when it goes down, it can retrace back up and we take our trade down. Our target is this support level again. Okay, so let me just as well put the price here. I think you all noticed that I take more sells than buys. This is not intentional. This is what the market is giving. I will be a bit less optimistic on this one and target maybe this level here, this support level here. That will be more than enough. So it's around 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Now it can just go up from here. It doesn't have to move like that, but it's better if it does. Okay, so that we can say that it has done a change of character here, and accordingly we have decided to enter. Okay, so this is for Euro JPY, and this is the alert in here. Now the fib levels are not very clear. We cannot know if it will be here, if it will be down, etc. But for now, I put it like that to actually fill in this gap here, or at least to maybe push a bit more up to the 20 MA level before it starts going down. So then we have GJ, same idea. GJ, by the way, it's exactly the same idea, but now it's a bit confusing. Where do you take your fib from? Do you take it from here, or from here? For me, it's better to take it from here, because if you take it here, first of all, the 20 MA is too far away, and there is a fair value gap here above your stop loss level. So this is also a swing that is considerable, and you can put your trade, your fib here, and just wait for the price to go up again. We might be adjusting throughout the week or throughout the day tomorrow. This is a fair value backup, and also there are some gaps here. Maybe for some people this is already filled, but for some others they would say this is the fair value gap, and it also can go up. So yes, GJ is not an A plus setup. Maybe you can wait for it to actually make the move to 30-minute, and scalp it all the way down to here. I love also to scalp GJ. It's very nice. You depend on the 20 MA and on the fib levels as well. Then we have EuroCAD. EuroCAD as well. It has already, I think, yeah, it has already broke this neckline here, as you could see, but it only broke by a couple of pips. It was Friday, so that's normal. Also, we wait for a pullback to this level here, and then we can work on a sell opportunity all the way down to the support level here. Okay, especially that this gap, this price gap that was created on 22nd of November is not yet closed. So most probably EuroCAD will be very bearish in the days to come. We wait for the pullback and we enter the market. AUDCHF, I see AUDCHF a bit confusing. Candles are somehow shy to go down or to go up. I would also treat AUDCHF as a scalp opportunity all the way down to at least this level here. Okay, and then we monitor this on the 30 minutes throughout the week. GBP AUD, if you go to the 4 hours, you also see that it has a long way to go until it reaches until it rebalances and it hits this support level right here. So as well, we have to wait for a retracement to this area here, and then we can say that we can enter the market. We keep an eye. Sometimes it can just retrace to 61.8, sometimes to somewhere between 50 and 61.8. That's fine. It's not a big deal. We keep an eye. We're not just turning off the PC. We can still see how the price action goes and decide where to enter. So actually, this is it for next week. At least this is what I have seen so far. I might also be looking for USD CHF, but it's really overbought now. So nothing to look at. Euro USD, it's really oversold now. 1.024 almost. GU is extremely oversold. In these cases, I would just wait for a change of character in the opposite direction myself. Some people will say it doesn't matter, it will continue going down. In the end, everyone has their own perspective, and that's absolutely fine. Uh, yeah, so basically that's it. I don't see any other opportunity for the week. And then have a nice trading week. And make sure to always remember risk management and discipline are 99% of the time uh, the real let's say lever for your trading career, and not only what you learn on the charts. Have a nice week everyone, and see you next week.